there. Hello everybody. Shit, I'm missing the JMax intro. Why in the hell you're using the JMax intro? Well, shut up.
When I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want some love, just let me know.
Another day, another life. Welcome to another episode of Polar Right. Pola. Why am I so hyper today? Well, good morning to you, and happy Saturday. Happy Saturday to you, and me. And everybody who's watching this on at 10 a.m. So lucky you. If you're the one who first is watching this on the 10 a.m. schedule, congratulations. Habang papraning ako. Welcome to Marcos Highway. A bunch of idiots here every day. See? Idiot. Good morning to you guys. It's a Saturday, so happy weekend. Yay, weekend. Congratulations to you. You don't have any work on a Saturday, because I do. I do have a work on Saturday. We need to work on a 48 hours a week, man. 48 hours. If you only work on Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m, well, that is equals to 40 hours of working. But here in the Philippines, we require to work 48 hours, at least 48 hours a week. Some other countries, they are required to work 100 hours a week. I think that is in the US, because they do need a second job, night shift and morning shift. What the hell am I saying? So guys, what's new on Saturday? What's new? What's in the rush? Well, basically I'm on my work. I'm on my way now to work. What? I'm using the word basically. See that? Second idiot of the day. Counterflowing at its finest. Why? Well guys, as you may notice on my Friday upload. Paula, why did you upload? I don't know. Sobra na yun ah. Hey Paula, why did you upload on a Friday? 10:30 a.m. Well, simply because that was intentional. As you may see, as you may notice on the Saturday upload last week, the trailer of our ride, the Team Guerrero ride, the anniversary ride, that was supposed to be an anniversary ride, but it turns out only a dual date ride. It's Smash Adventure and Miss Smash, all together with my beautiful girlfriend, Miss Paula. Did you notice this day upload where there's a sudden glitch? I mean, DSS style. 80s, 90s, yes! The Pasig floodway and the Pasig area. These are the few, maybe this is the last episode that you will see. Hey guys, this is the last episode that you will witness the Pasig area. Maybe in the future upload. And this is an announcement video guys, so I am very sorry that this is a kinda sad for you, because the Notif Squad, there's a Notif Squad on my channel. I'm going to cut my upload schedule to from twice a week. I'm going to upload once a week because of my errands. From twice a week, I'm going to upload once a week.